Why do we yawn and why is it contagious? Most people think yawning means you're tired. And yeah, sometimes it does. But the real reason is way cooler. Yawning is like your brain's built-in cooling system. When your brain warms up or you're low energy, a yawn pulls in cool air. Your jaw stretches, blood flow changes, and that helps your brain reset and stay alert. So why is it contagious? Scientists think it's linked to empathy and social bonding. When you see someone yawn, your brain mirrors them. Kind of like saying, we're synced up. You also yawn when you're bored, stressed, waking up, or before focusing. So yeah, yawning isn't laziness. It's literally your brain hitting the refresh button. And if you just yawned right now, you're totally normal.